Would you build a human body and connect the nervous system last? Let me give you a real-world example. During the Victoria Big Battery fire in 2021, 450 megawatt-hour battery installation, the investigation reveals that something critical about the role of SCADA. A coolant leak in one of the battery units triggered a thermal runaway event. That in itself is a known risk that can be managed. But here's what made it worse. The battery unit has been placed into offline mode during initial testing. And when that happens, the SCADA system stopped communicating with their battery container. The telemetry went dark and the cooling system shut down. The battery protection system, including the high voltage controller that could have disconnected the battery container, all went offline. The operators in control room, they received no alarms because the SCADA wasn't commissioned at that time to keep monitoring that battery container. The fire destroyed 2 battery containers and took months to fully recover. The investigation led to specific correction actions. And right on top of the list was modifying the SCADA system to map every unit, every hour, every minute, regardless of its operational state. Now, think about that. A SCADA configuration gap contributed to what became a high-profile BESS fire in Australian history. Start the SCADA conversation early. Engage your SCADA engineers during the design, not during commissioning. I'm Jordan Zhao, and you can find out more about us at acectrl.com. Thank you for watching.